When was the last time you did your hair properly?
Can't remember.
I don't even remember the last time I went to a hairdresser. I think it might have been like almost a year ago now.
I think mine is less than that, but
Check
I
out
don't
this
even,
ends.
oh my gosh, it's like
a straw broom.
we both need a little bit of help with our hair. And so we've come today to Fratellis, the salon, and we're gonna get our hair did.
Yeah, we're gonna get a refresh. Something small yet meaningful to make us feel better and look a little more refreshed like this. All right, let's go in.
Stay tuned for the before and after. And if you're new to this channel, you know what you need to do. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
Nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. It's like a family tree. Part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
What are we doing now?
I'm framing her face.
Ah,
This is
doing
what's
a
going to
framer.
give the curtain bang effect.
Doing curtain bang.
If I open up my eyes, I can see the sky. I can see the sky. See the sky. See the sky. Watch your
That was a nice experience. Here it is. Yes. How do you feel? I am loving your hair and I'm feeling good. I love this wave. My hair is finally healthy. Looks beautiful. This is the test, like the little, quality control test. Right, it's nice and soft and I'm really, really excited to put some makeup on. I love it. I want to thank Fratelli, Salon, Marco, the whole team. I got my hair cut by Luca.
And I got my hair cut by Michael, and all round 2 very enthusiastic thumbs up.
Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the transformation, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media at Finding Momjo.
We'll see you next time. Let's go take some pictures now.
Do it.